Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another airliner review. Today we're going to be looking at the Netmodels Air Holland Boeing 757-200B. This one is a 2002 release, limited to 999 pieces. Plane comes in the 1990s colors, and the registration is PH-AHE and is powered by two Rolls-Royce RB211-535 E4 engines. And there is the box. Not much to it. Pretty unusual airline. Not because there's anything wrong with them, but I mean, like, it's kind of an odd subject to be making a model out of. But there is the plane right there. You might be thinking, oh, what the hell is that? Air Holland, never heard of it. Well, I didn't either until I saw the model. But I mean, you need to really look at the detail on this thing. I mean, it's not that a window and a couple of stripes is impressive, but we'll move along here. I mean, there we go. Just don't see that even on some 1/400 scale planes. It's got all the little markings of everything. It's got the gutters over the doors, plastic tail and stabilizers, but still looks good. The Rolls-Royce emblem on the, or insignia on the engine. Turbines. Spin this one around. Trying to do more and more close-ups when I do these reviews, because it just seems to, people seem to, or from what I've been told, they like the fact that it almost makes it look huge. It's like, well, yeah, I guess so when it's on your screen. Plastic gears. It's probably one of my favorite parts right there. Well, of course, then you do have the stuff written there on the nose. But the gears, it's got the little hatches there. Cargo hatch. Netmodels insignia. Yeah, that gap isn't exactly pretty, but it's not like you're looking at it from underneath the plane when it's on display. Yeah, when it said 1990s colors, I was like, man, it looks more like out of the 70s. Now, the only thing I really don't like is how they did the engines. That's the only thing that's crappy about it. But otherwise, I mean, you know, you have to agree, that's a pretty nice model. But that'll do it for this episode. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Alright? Later, everyone.